Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how an instructor can create and publish a course step by step. First, navigate to the instructor page in Settings. Enable the following options: Public Profile, Allow Publishing Course, Allow Update Course Price, Instructor Reviews. Click the Save button to apply these changes. Now let's create a course as an instructor. Log into your account and access the instructor dashboard. Click on Courses from the dashboard menu. Then, click on Add New Course. Set a course title, select Draft, and click Save. Next, input the course description. Upload a feature image from your media, or upload a new one. Add an intro video for the course. From the general settings, you can enable the Q&A section, enable announcements, define the course duration, set the maximum number of students who can enroll, the course difficulty level, and the course language. If needed, enable the Content Drip setting from the Content Drip options. Now proceed to the Course Builder and click on Add New Curriculum. From the Add Content section, you can add lessons, quizzes, assignments, meetings, tutor bookings. Alternatively, use Build from Existing. Click Lesson and set a lesson title. Add a lesson description and upload a feature image. Enable the Preview Lesson option if desired. Choose the video source and add the lesson video. Set the video playback time and upload any relevant attachments. Click Add Lesson to save it. Your created lesson will now appear in the course curriculum. You can continue adding more content by clicking Add Content. To reuse previously created quizzes or other content, select Build from Existing. Drag and drop to adjust the order of the content. In the Certificate section, you can select a certificate for the course. Define the course categories and tags, and add an excerpt if necessary. You can choose to make the course paid by setting a price. Finally, set the course status to Publish and click the Update button. Your course is now live. Here's the course overview. From the front-end dashboard, instructors can also access their Manage Bookings, Reviews, and explore sections created courses, lessons, quizzes, assignments, questions and answers, and announcements. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.